Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan protein powder at home. Creating your own plant-based protein powder is a fantastic way to save money and ensure you know exactly what goes into your body. We will go through each step, from selecting your ingredients to blending them into a fine powder. This process is surprisingly simple and requires just a few common kitchen tools, making it accessible for everyone to try. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will want about 1 cup of rolled oats, which provide a great base. Then, add 1/2 cup each of flax seeds and chia seeds, both packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. For an extra protein boost and healthy fats, include 1/4 cup of almonds or walnuts. You can also personalize your powder with optional flavorings like a tablespoon of cocoa powder or a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now, let's move on to the mixing and grinding process. You will need a powerful blender or a food processor to achieve the desired fine consistency. Carefully add all your dry ingredients into the blender jar, making sure the lid is securely fastened. Blend on a high setting for about 2 to 3 minutes. It is crucial to continue blending until the mixture transforms into a very fine, uniform powder, free of any large chunks. Finally, let's talk about storing and enjoying your freshly made vegan protein powder. Transfer the powder to an airtight container, such as a glass jar, and keep it in a cool, dark pantry. When stored correctly, your homemade powder will stay fresh and potent for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. You can easily incorporate 2 to 3 tablespoons into your morning smoothies, mix it into oatmeal, or even use it in your favorite baked goods for an extra protein boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.